All right, let's talk vision boards. This video is going to be a little bit different than my other videos because I want to show you my actual vision board. By the way, you see a lot of women in my vision board. I'm now in a relationship, so my girlfriend told me if I don't take this down, she's going to kill me. So this is going to be gone. But basically, a vision board is a piece of cardboard that you take a bunch of images of what you want to see in your life and you put them up. Now, why do they work? Basically, through focus and concentration, you're focusing on these images every day. And by concentrating on them, you're impressing them upon your subconscious. And your subconscious, being infinitely intelligent, is going to go to work to bring them in your life. Now, I'm going to give you some tips to make your vision boards more powerful and for your manifestations to take place faster. And the first tip is put your vision board at a higher height than you are. The reason being is when you look upwards at about 20 degrees, your brain starts to go into alpha. Alpha is the state that takes place when you're meditating. And when you're in alpha, your brain is more receptive. Actually, I should say your subconscious is more receptive to the positive ideas you're giving it. And these ideas will be further implanted in your subconscious and be made more manifest in your life. So put your vision boards a little bit higher than you are. That's one. Two, make sure to put yourself on the vision board. That might seem like common sense, but you want your subconscious to see that this is your life. Third, if you really want to add some emotion to your vision boards, play some music before you look at them, and that'll really enhance your feelings and make these boards manifest quicker, or actually what you see in these boards manifest quicker in your life. Fourth, make sure that when you look at your boards, you look at them for at least a minute. It's been said that it takes on average 33 1/3 seconds for an idea to go from your conscious mind into your subconscious. So I recommend looking at these boards for at least a minute. Now, I have a funny story about vision boards. When I first got into this work, I put up on my board Rob Kamen and Higan Machado. Rob was the best kickboxer, one of the best kickboxers of all time. Higan was one of the best jiu-jitsu fighters of all time, and I wanted them to train me in martial arts. So I'm looking at them, a picture of them every day. And about a week or a week and a half later, I get a call from my friend's wife telling me that she's having a surprise birthday party for him and asking me if I want to come. So I go to the party and I'm sitting down, and who comes up and sits next to me? Rob Kamen and Higan Machado, who I ended up becoming good friends with, and Higan ended up training me in jiu-jitsu, and I'm friends with them to this day. So try these boards out. The things that your subconscious can do will blow your mind. It has infinite ways to bring you what it is you want. You just need to decide what it is you want and leave the rest up to your subconscious, and your life, what people will say are miracles, will take place.